Now, I just want to read this one for you to listen. Ames Mara told the driver to slow down near Konongo. He didn't listen. Minutes later, their trotro met a truck overtaking on a blind slope. She didn't survive. Who didn't survive? That is Ames' mother. 9 others on that stretch didn't either. It wasn't a one-off that same month. 13 were feared dead at Odumase. 3 died at Dwaso. At Odumase, the same junction claimed 4 lives. Then 3 more weeks apart. This is what an unfinished and a dilapidated road does. Quietly, almost every week, while the rest of the country moves on to the next headline. Then came the one that stopped everyone. An STC bus and a fuel tanker collided on the Accra-Kumasi highway. Out of 31 passengers, 10 escaped while the rest were bent. The driver said, that was the narration of the driver. Out of 31 passengers, 10 survived, 10 escaped, meaning 21 passengers passed on. May all their fine souls rest in perfect peace. Every time the conversation turns to the road itself, and rightly so, it's narrow in places it shouldn't be, poorly lit at night, and littered with blind corners that give drivers no room for error. But blaming the road alone lets everyone else off the hook too easily. Drivers have a responsibility to exercise the greatest caution on that stretch. Road or no road, tanker drivers have no respect for buses. Buses are just as reckless with tankers. Both sides overtake blind, race for the same lane, and gamble with other people's lives to save a few minutes. A bad road is a reason to slow down, not an excuse to speed up. And it isn't only about driver behavior, it's about who's accountable when it fails. And in this case, the National Road Safety Authority and the MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service. We keep counting the dead instead of demanding answers from the drivers who take the risk, from the transport unions that took away, from the authorities who were supposed to maintain this road in the first place. Here's what makes it harder to accept. Billions of cities are already earmarked for a brand new expressway linking Accra to Kumasi. That is still years from asphalt. While the bypasses on the road we actually drive today sit half-built. Some abandoned by contractors long before anyone even spoke of the new routes. A new road would save lives that aren't at risk. The old road is taking lives right now. Finish what's already broken before you break ground for what's next. I like to take the last part again. A new road would save lives that aren't at risk yet. The old road is taking lives right now. So please, Mr. President, we are calling on you this afternoon. Finish what's already broken. We are talking about the old road before you break ground for what's next. Sa utie ayen semu amaka e obrofo semu de nyina. De be pache nyina na say Accra Kumasi Road since 1932. Since 1932. Sa road way abanya bako roadway ya can wasam sa since 1932. It has claimed so many lives. And our leaders sit on looking sheepishly But for this current administration, one more da so die and who no say, sa kwan no ekum Ghana dishe for no. Anka would have still been limited to this old Kumasi Accra road. Let me seize this opportunity and commend the government, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, the NDC government, for having that kind of thinking. Say, sa kwan way since 1932, ache. E kwan unam so a eye hu ye. Edu baby ankane ni so. E kwan na tutu. Edu baby a kefs ni bi wo ho a. Ehu asem no ni kan ye kana. Kwan ni nya. President Kufuor, President Mills, President Nanado, womo ba omo ye bi. Trying to create bypasses. Even though the bypasses not created yet was good, but that was not the solution to the problem. That was not the solution to the problem. Even if a crime bisono, a boya, that was not the total solution to the problem. The total solution to the problem is what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama's government has undertaken. The new expressway. But my concern with this current administration initiative of the new expressway is that, so if mu sika mu de yes project na, please, mu twamani hwe the old road still a man for a use. Because that is killing us as a country. That is killing us as a country. In as much as yes, you have decided to make sure, sir, you get a new road, a linky Accra Kumasi. We are talking about 3-lane, 6-lane road. That's a great initiative. But Mr. President, please pay attention to the existing road. Pay attention to the existing road. Just pay attention to the existing road. Because a man for wood do. And no moment you could see I walk Sakwan or so. Why am I talking about? Brimso Bridge side one. What did it happen? Estis ya me no wo ye de to kwan. Ye nim say ye the safest on the road no. Look at what happened to the ecstasy yesterday. Should you see ye? Obi say abochi kasa dodo. Eje kasa na me kasa dodo. Sa kwan na me faso. Me busu anfo faso. Me nanfo fo faso. Ebetimi ato omo me ameti ha ye betimi ato me na bonzo ote ha ebetimi ato no e wo sa akwan no so anje busuafo yi mumma yemfa ye nyina ya no ntum bini enka ensese a e wo sa ban ye on the Kumasi existing road no wo mbɔ modern no munyama ye intentem because it's worrying. That 5-hour 20 minutes drive covering a distance of about 251 kilometers. Anya kwan kuma. Lights in ni kwan so. Edu baby now drive here. A sumwa kwan so. And a kwan so amwa baba ye kete. Ti wo drive was so enhu ye pa. Do you know the number of cars are day in, day out, passing on the Accra Kumasi road? I'll give you the figures. Very, very worrying, very. Just I'm taking a boot. So please, Mr. President, something must be done to the existing road, whilst at the same time you are working on the express highway. Because we cannot afford to be losing lives on that stretch. In as much as a quani and yeno, yena driver for a wobu for kwano so no. In fact, so who drive a private car, now can no form. Now nam sa kwano swa. Subain bia aye tanker drivers, any bus drivers ni mu bi e di was sa kwano so dane di no. Aye subain phone, aye subain bonne. Then a driver for ni bi. They are not. I don't think they should even be qualified to drive on that road. Tanker shaka kitwa na wafa kwani nyina. Bus e shaka kitwa na wafa kwani nyina. Edua na jupo na wo drive wo so a na wo nkane anya me patcho say one share obeto na nanom wonse do. Akwense bebrebe a ekunye nyina no efido na afiye na driver for no ahweye kitwa ne abotre kitwa bia ubenya wo kwan no so no sa abotre na wanya no enu na ema yewu no sa abotre na wanya no enu na ema yewu no anti ye besere ye na driver for se wonim se wo car no chimato bi wo ho a siesie no ansa na fasi kwan no so. Se we driver ni na we overtaking a e wo so nya abotre wo kwan no so wa wonim se kwan ni nye deda wonim se kwan ni nye deda we dey besra ban. Something needs to be done on the existing Kumasi Accra road, but wonim Ghana ha ye mpanyimfo na ye ni woni wo kroi mu no bisa who say how many of them and no driving from Accra to Kumasi, Kumasi to Accra? How many of them? Edu ho na womo afa awiem na womo ko womo small drivers na wo de akwa kwhia no. Sisi amene ukase se wo kwa kofa aeroplane e de free Accra e de akwa Kumasi a you are looking about 2,000, 3,000 Ghana cedis per flight in. And to kono ubenyina no. Ube say almost 5,000, 6,000. Why should it be so costly? In Europe, it's not like that. And even in this African countries, it is not like that. The cost of flight in this country is too much. It is too much. I say you're paying for no time for kwano no suntino. They don't know what actually pertains on that road. And they can almost take crowd. Woman no mabusia for no my geremu. Almost a random of us or no moko. But many why yet a chroma ye ni bie. Yabako for VIP 200 Ghana cedis, 250 Ghana cedis, 300 Ghana cedis. There they are. Mamuson council one kasa we do private car ebe fa sa kwan no so akwaba obi kwa ba be du no o ka na se nyina sai aboso kan fo na be didi anti we dey aban ye be srebo se de bia metena ha meka no President John Mahama, do something before you die. President John Dramani Mahama, do something before you die. Accidents, is becoming way of something in this country. Please. Because I commended the government. I commended the government. The expressway now, it is going to reduce the journey up to 198.7 kilometers. That is going to take you 2 hours 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes. As against 5 hours 20 minutes. Please. Yabasra buying. The expressway no. Muman ko show my yang. Na yen yentam. And question show my yen yentam. Because a yadia a hardwin ye pa. Na the new expressway though. Mashana tumbo. Na maka ho asem pa edi achiro. What actually it means. What actually the project entails. And then Miraho. Looking at the videos, looking at the pictures. Nabonsu. Usha eto saying. But also Mike no mame. So Mike. Aha. Okay. Nabonsu eti say.
Ayo prof. Now no modwuma for mu nyam ho te say.
Yeah, ho ye pa Nabonsu.
Yo mo me da mase adwuma pa mo ye de boa o man Ghana. Ene obiara. Prof obo adwuma. Obo adwuma. Nwumre mamenchia Honorable Anthony Kwesi Sapon. Commissioner General GRA.
Okay. Now what to say?
No ho ye pa one of the institutions ye Ghana. Omo to corruption ase pa no.
Oh sir.
Papa no obo modern papa. Ye adwuma den the two corruption ase o
GRA.
Yes. Commissioner General.
Commissioner General.
Yes.
Obo adwuma.
Obo adwuma papa.
Ora Sapon.
Hey.
Then I feel it's obo adwuma.
Na sense what test mortgage here chichi.
Me hu pa.
Na e baby so twema na yonkofo bi wo ha so tu duty a. Wom no chemienu na obna fafa. Wom sa akodu kwam ya ma customer officers ya betwa akwam na asa be chika no because say wan tua e plan. Sa be oba sa normal nyina wo twetwam. And officers bi wo ha taxes na ejege no ha bo no. Wom ne importers na ye wan. No matter test with the difference na go mboto madi ni nyina oba ye otu ase.
Really?
So yes. The Commissioner General Ghana Revenue Authority ye bo abaso na anwumre me ne mapamfo wo ha prof di mu akoten ye nyina ye chia na anwumre prof asema wo ka udika accident esi o ma wo na no den dodo aba chesa me dadwe ho a me ase so enya yie efi abaya o matwa ma besi sa abre mera abaya obaya na mfise kumase highway betimi aye adwuma president kufo so no ya santini
yeah sure
nam so no de wa ba die sa kwa no be ya man nanso obo no modini bia nso anwie peye oye bidie nanso anwie se de ne ye pe no president Mose by de tianete first Mahama obai de tianete president Akufo-Addo Kumasi na the World Bank Ashanti region ahọ ne nya vote pa NPP for obai ani na nkwa na so tumi ya mesesa road no yamfa to Mahama Express Road the Mahama timi yes akwa yes yamfa to ni din so Mahama Express Road.
Oh okay.
Said ya baya woni wo kra be kai no because president Mahama oba no so obagidi obagidi mpa maka no ma miensa we ka ho bi ana sa ka galamse asetuo ana so me ka ho asem ana me ka corruption wo mamu sesi a yentimi ntu ase no wotimi ya no so ka ho dia na chese wo wie kra ana Ghana fo be pagya no kra so onko tetem so bo ba ko edi kam de bo abaya ba twem fasa de ho yetimi kwaje bosia se de yakwa minua hwe efiri akọ you minua matra trotro matra ka matu kwan
sure
ebi wa bedu baabi chese car no kra nu se nkefa kwa so hwe ties ebu car se na hwe de car na ye jira car ni wi a ubehu car no no sere no police ni nchake hwe wo fa chire the lances no mana ubaka se lances no memse manim mete front and the discussion ache me tu kwa bi
yeah
wo free chire oba ye ne skari nim obetra se o tu car no utim se car so de kwe car na ye you prof obehwa first esusu no obehu obi o ka articulator na papa bi a na dwemudo nipa we se wanyini wo nyansa pa and obehu articulator fri Burkina eba
akola ketu sure
and the front asa no ma o and the ni tipa na hu etima se DVLA ekwam so for some lances no se obi ti fie kro otima lances which is very bad etiaba se almost another factor ekwam lances no and also ka ho etiaba se passengers and ya driver for passengers bi also a me pentem no prof
sakabio
edoso me pentem okwa bia o jai onkwa na nipa abewu onkwa na abewu onkwa na ateka yi mu and also another factor the accident eba o cancel na driver no kra passenger o ka se won to no bo asere kra de wo de o ye before kwa akokuyen san no ma wa nyina message ya police form gu kwa so o mo ni nko IGP anya sa accident ya koso ma wo mu ekum ya nko for dodo Woman share a common force, no one corruption and taculins and prodigy, no one hear cast and amquaso, almost hear almost ties. Carlos said they're fata, so said the 2 on Jenny. Sanoma when I shall never the politician and Mutricano, Sir Patasibi morning, never sick a station being was their tonsa. Me assure Sabre be a caution.
Now do we reach the second one?
What's your boo Sabia? What's that now? What's your boo now? I don't know drivers in here. Make a track a car quaba. What's a Numbia and Timico speed? Kukumko forma, or Chubby apatesi. Walk on your or be a cafe omua. No Kokumni Passadia when you say check and send a canna too. Let the be a dear Bachelor Ghana had the probable accident. I didn't know a basta.
Now
a child in Mukumni Party's accident. I didn't hear
Sakebio.
Your best institutions here. Almost a quasso cosa no me adiano. Your best so many now, so more money. More money, as I said, Domani Corancoye. Domani Corancoye, Pazamama. Yes, so that finance form. So to me, yes, I Kumasi Accra Road, where my near. Messi and Fan to Mahama Express Road. Now, do you crowd that young Emma Ebekao? Nipa Udoto, that be a SCC first offer SCC, I'm sorry, save. Oh, your co school no more could try SCC bus because Anna, oh, mamma, no papa, because oh, SCC the offer me dad mother. Says talk of first CC and I am so. Many sure, so qualified drivers partners is almost SCC. Oh, first CC say, crowd answer first offer SCC crowd, who bet me at that, copies obedu because we must drive a papa and a doko. Some SCC for you, I overtake your maybe. Yakway and Cassanye. And overtaking, yeah, dodgy potholes, yeah, yes, and the accident, but the prof. Master President Mahama Bell to Sabdona catch and say, and yes, I began some and then there's also been prof. Yeah, the contract, man. Yan Kofobi, a dear animal. It's yet the contract, remember contractor, or be percentage you. It's before the contractor, Benyan Sicano. Let's car or the aquarium, let's can back it to announce so quite near.
Nabus Cabio.
Obi na kwaje contract na brand na je percentage no kwaje ni sika sukra na obi be sa agiriska adina man sa na adwuma waye no ya tua ka man eti contractor no waye kwad what mean you good materials because car nsam nso ni na ya corruption ni bi na ya kan wasem sesi sa kuma se kwa wase ya no kwa men kroma kwa oye motorway bi ya no concrete road anya kwa ya be ya dasia 2 years abe kwa na say si aye Kumasi kwara ya hwesa ye no kwaya e betaki se kwame nkroma ye motorway na ye no e betaki so many years anya so be kwanda o chana asa because em for materials papa nye contractors of the kwama om nya sure say om ye nkofo bi om betimi aye kwaya mayen om nindie anya so contractor ogiska no kotoka akese adem no kosifi akese na afa kwa no aye basa ye be sre abai any road minister man can't try and say Kumasi kwan mo beye. Ye nyina da ya dwunim. Enya political talk. Ya be sra mo enya political talk. Munya kwan no e ma ye hu za president Mahama. Ba oba so oba ju din no. What me aye sa Kumasi kwan no so amia hu. Amia dia 2 din za Mahama Express Road. Prof.
Now was red answer. But my go tie dia nra SCC driver no. E kan
because more situation now, corner. If you come and miss a car, Kumasi by the way. Mean to me, on reaching this ramps, no, there is a cars which I'm driving behind them. Into almost slow down. Into almost slow down, I also need to slow down. And to be slow down, I'm saying, can't move over the and on look at me left side. On look at me left side, trying to save, no, and I say, me can we do bridge,